Dear viewers, bankers, bhai and brother and sister, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ইউনিক ব্যাংকিং চ্যানেল থেকে আমি একেএম নুরুল ইসলাম বলছি। এখন আজকে আমি যে বিষয়টি নিয়ে আলোচনা করব সেটি হচ্ছে কাউন্টার গ্যারান্টি। কাউন্টার গ্যারান্টি, হোয়াট ইজ কাউন্টার গ্যারান্টি? Both guaranteed and indemnities are issued by the banker against counter guarantees or indemnities as the case may be, given to the banker by the customer with or without cash margin and or collateral security depending on the creditworthiness of a customer. The contents of a counter guarantee or an indemnity correspond exactly with the undertaking given by the banker. Now, pledge. Pledge, P-L-E-D-G-E, pledge. In a pledge, the debtor customer delivers the possession of the securities to the banker, and the banker holds the possession of securities until the debt is discharged. This is the essence of a pledge, which is a bailment of movable property by one person to another to secure repayment of a debt or performance of a promise. Though the possession of the securities is held by the banker, the ownership thereof lies with the debtor, that is pledger, that is customer, who is entitled to return of the same upon repayment of the debt, including interest and other expenses. If the debt remains unpaid, the banker has a right of sale of the securities and can exercise this power with or without recourse to the court after giving a proper notice to the pledger. The notice should not only contain a demand for repayment of the outstanding debt, but also state that unless the delivery of the securities is taken against repayment of the dues within a specified period, the same will be disposed of. In case of sale, the banker must account for the sale process and make over to the pledger any surplus that is left after adjustment of the dues. If there is a shortfall, the banker can proceed against the pledger legally for recovery thereof. While allowing advances under pledge of securities, the banker should see that he does not advance against unpaid for securities, as otherwise the pledge will be valid to the extent of the pledger's interest only. By accepting pledge, the banker takes upon himself the responsibility of taking such care and steps to ensure safety of the securities as a man of ordinary prudence would take under similar circumstances in respect of his own goods. As such, the banker is required to be extra cautious in storing the securities. Generally, goods, produces and other merchandises of bulky nature are stored in the borrower's godowns. Other securities, namely stock exchange securities, are stored in the banker's own stronghold. Whenever the pledged securities are stored, the banker has to keep them under his lock and key and to maintain watch and wards. Also, the securities are required to be adequately covered by insurance against fire, RSD risk further. In order to avoid any dispute over the purpose of deposit of the securities to the banker, all pledges should be accompanied by pledge letters or memorandum of deposits duly signed by the pledger. Conversely, all deliveries made by the banker need be duly received by the lender. This is all about place. Assalamu alaikum.